Releasing dopamine, dopamine. Releasing dopamine, dopamine. Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Wagwan vlog world, wagwan! Happy Sunday. Today is the 20th of January 2019. Yeah, so I'm there in the back of my yard. My yard have a heap of bush and thing, but yeah. Yeah, vlog world, so I'm just there. It's kind of different today. Not the usual up and down all over the place. It's just a one-on-one thing, you know what I mean? Vlog world, so my first thing I want to ask you guys, how you do? How wanna do? Everybody who watching this video right now, all of my subscribers, Team PSYNOS people, how are you guys doing? I'm wanting to comment it down in the comment area down there. So tell me how you do, how you been feeling. You know what I mean? That one-on-one thing. Tell me how you do. You know what I mean? For me, right now, I'm grateful. You know what I mean? And gratitude is a must. You know what I mean? As coffee when I say. You know what I mean? I just want, yeah, enough things I just there I look on, you know what I mean? And I there in the kitchen I wash up some plate and I just basically just want, when I moved by the spirit or I just feel a vibe, you know what I mean? I just want to share a thing with you, one-on-one, you know what I mean? Yo, the 2019 I feel a good feeling in my heart says a beautiful year, 2019, you know? And I hope it's the same for you also too, you know? People, I mean, your obstacles, and in spite of it all, yo, we give thanks because I'm just alive, you know? And yeah, today my mother's birthday and thing, we just give thanks for that because she alive, you know? 73-year-old now. Yeah, 73. Yeah, my mother, big up moms. You know what I mean? Yeah, I just want to share that with you know. Basically still, you know. But they are just looking at life and even this big step I'm about for the techno Team PSYNOS. So I go take on PSYNOS gaming full time, you know what I mean? Follow my dream and follow my passion. That's the next thing I want to share with you guys too. You know what I mean? I go all in. I don't know what the future holds. But I have faith. You know what I mean? There are gonna be storms, there are gonna be hard times, but I'm willing to learn, you know, and willing to go through it and pursue the dream, you know, and just reach a bigger audience and fulfill many different dreams under one umbrella, you know, which is PSYNOS Gaming, Jack of all trades, master of fun, you know, and I feel a good feeling and I hope you guys been feeling it too. And even if you're feeling down now, even for the people them who feel down for a while and I can relate to that, whatever happening in your life, yo, you know how I had to reach here, guys? I had to dig deep. Like dig deep all when I was so tired and so tired, stuck one place and stuff like that. I had to dig deep. I have to pray and dig deep and say, yo, can't stay right this no longer, you know. And for many people that might be you right now. How long will you stay right here? You know? You know, when God wants you to be all the way up here, way up, and you're calling yourself to reach way up. You know, how many of you guys tired of us being right here? And you say, yo, I can't do it. But you know, say you can do it. Yeah, man, you can do it. You know? Start here. And you have to dig deep. Like, in spite of how you feel, you have to go for it. You have to find the energy and find the strength. You know? And I can share enough days when I want to get up. When I get up and I know I'm supposed to stream, I can't stream, or I'm tired, or I have to go up and do some show. You know what I mean? Or I have to go down a first dance studio or something. Enough days I say, yo, I can't bother. But I have to bother. You have to push. You have to dig deep. You literally have to dig deep and find every ounce of energy we have and get the task done. You know? And you all be patient with yourself too, you know? And believe, you know? Because for me personally, I'm tired of stuck at one level. You know what I mean? It's time for me to grow up and just follow my passion and what makes me happy. Then the next thing to me want to know, comment down below. As I say, it's a one-on-one thing this. Viewers and subscribers. What makes you happy? You know what I mean? What is your passion? You know what I mean? My passion and my drive is entertainment and a whole. Multi-talented. I love music. I produce. I can sing. I can write. I love dancing. You know what I mean? I love hosting. I love streaming. I love the camera. I love showbiz. I love the tour life. You know what I mean? All of that. I love the excitement. I love going outdoors. I love praying. You know what I mean? I like to talk to God. I like to read my Bible. I love to meditate. You know what I mean? I love for deal with the people them whom I love. You know, down at Moby and my mother and the rest of the people them around me. You know what I mean? I love people. You know what I mean? So what do you love? You know what I mean? What is your passion? You know what I mean? So yeah, things like that, guys. So I just wanted to share them stuff there with you guys, and don't give up. Nobody give up. You know what I mean? And if you feel say you can't reach, you can't do it alone, nothing wrong if you reach out. You know what I mean? Trust me, I know that feeling. You know what I mean? And I'm still learning, because there's many things that I still yet to learn, and many different ways I have to get rid of. Because for me personally, I grew up as a wolf. I still think that I am a wolf. Alone, you know what I mean, regarding enough things. I do things by myself. You know, I'll give you an example. Team PSYNOS. When I just start science gaming, I said, Jano, I used to go do so much different things at the same time, and I realized, I don't know everything. And it's overwhelming. That's why I reach out and I say, J Dizzy, you know what I mean? President of PSYNOS Gaming, King Alvin, Right and Youth, content-wise and camera and everything, you know what I mean? And the rest of the team them, you know what I mean? People, they help, you know what I mean? Because some things you can't do by yourself. Nothing is wrong if you ask for help, you know what I mean? And you're never alone still, because I believe so everybody in the world is here for one another, you know? So, and in spite of all of them stuff there, guys, I'm going to go through, and the things that I'm still going through, I'm still there today, I'm still I'm contented, I'm feel good, you know, the place I'm there right now, knowing because right now, I grow every day, so. And the hard work, I see it pay off bit by bit. I also stay consistent, focus. Just get my drive and just go after my passion and what makes me happy. And then in the midst of it all, for me personally, I definitely God. You know what I mean? And I just want to talk to Una and just tell you about that. So that is my passion, my drive, what makes me happy, why I'm grateful. You know what I mean? And I give God thanks for today. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's how I'm feeling. How are you feeling? You know what I mean? So comment down below. I mean, know how you feel. Make a chat. Make a do a one-on-one. It's a different type of vibe, a different energy, bigger and greater things for PSYNOS Gaming. And as my vlog bridging always say, just continue, stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated, keep pushing to the top. You ain't gonna stop. And at the end of the day, remix, and by the perfect grace of God, just always just be happy. Big up yourself, Mystic Got Jokes. Yeah, that's your quote. Yeah, man. And that's basically that, you know, team. Viewers and subscribers are basically that. Me there, now I mean, they are chill on the Sunday. And just want to send some word, somebody way, right here, and just make them know, say, it's okay. for what you go through, just dig deep and believe and trust in the Most High God. He will pull you through. You know what I mean? Worse if you're alive today and you see this, there is a reason. You know what I mean? So, yeah, big up on yourself. Just continue smiling and just keep pushing on, alright? I know it's a Team PSYNOS there. And remember that nothing can stop you because God, you rock. Whoop, whoop. Hey, journey with your boy.